Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. A busy schedule for reggae crooner Tarrus Riley. Over the past few months, he has been quite occupied making the musical rounds on his tour of North America, stimulating fans with electrifying performances. His recently released single, The Way You Are, is also receiving major traction and is being embraced worldwide for encouraging inner beauty. The artist is reporting major success from his North American stint and will take the stage tonight in New Haven, Connecticut. Singy Singy then moves on to Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Pennsylvania and Queens, New York. While on tour, Tarrus also released his single Love Like Ours with Grammy Award winner Estelle, which is currently gaining a lot of traction on all major streaming outlets. Courtney John is serving up a classic sound that the reggae singer believes will appeal to reggae aficionados and a wider audience of music lovers. The artist has released his new album titled Ecosystem, outlining his fascination with our planet and the times. The 11-track album is produced and mixed by Parisian Pierre-Marie Williamson and recorded between Jamaica and France, painting a picture of the world through melody. Ecosystem is distributed by Soul Man Records and Fimi Music and is now available for purchase. Courtney John is preparing for a promotional tour of the United States this fall. Jamaica Youth Theatre creates theatre targeting young people as a means of social change, with a commitment to using Jamaican indigenous forms and popular culture to engage its audience.
It's all about youth using their talents, their creativity to write, develop, produce, perform, and stage pieces, because we do everything. It's youth using their God-given talents to impact youth. And what better way to impact and reach the youth but through young people who experience and go through the same situations. And it's a beautiful thing when we have our youth displaying our culture and loving it at the same time.
The group is in rehearsal mode right now in preparation for the Aberdeen Festival in Scotland.
This year we're going to the Aberdeen International Youth Festival in Scotland. We're very excited about that. We're doing a piece called the Jamaica Drum, and it's a beautiful piece which uses the drum as a symbol to depict the history of Jamaica up to now. I'm getting goosebumps talking about it, but it's completely JYT original, written by us, directed by us, and it's an exciting piece to look out for.
Now in its 45th year, the 2017 staging of the festival will welcome a rich and diverse range of performances, productions and projects. 12 members of the Jamaica Youth Theatre will travel to Scotland to represent Jamaica and perform at the upcoming Global Festival scheduled for July 27 to August 5. On the international scene, the hip-hop community is mourning the death of rapper Prodigy, one half of the rap group Mobb Deep. Though the exact cause of death has not yet been reported, it is said that Prodigy was hospitalized for complications related to sickle cell anemia a few days prior to his death. The 42-year-old was known for songs such as Quiet Storm and for the duo's West Side East Side battle with Tupac Shakur. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.